Hey everyone! In this video, we will show you how to take incremental backup in xCloud. First, log in to your xCloud dashboard. Navigate to the Sites tab at the top. You will get the list of all sites there. Click on your preferred site where you want to take incremental backup in xCloud. Once you are in the site dashboard, navigate to Site Backup in the left sidebar and click on the Previous Backups option. As you can see, there are no previous remote backups. Now, click on the Backup Settings option. Navigate to the Remote Backup Settings section and select Incremental from the Backup Type dropdown. Then, select the bucket. Enter the exclude paths in the designated field below. Toggle to enable automatic full backup and choose the full backup frequency and backup time from the dropdown options. Next, you can also toggle to enable automatic incremental backup and select the incremental backup frequency and backup time from the drop-down options. If you want, set up the number of days after which the backup will be deleted automatically. Click on the Save button at the top once you are done. Now, you will see your added remote backup under the Previous Remote Backups section by clicking on the Previous Backups option. Click on the Backup Now button to take a full or incremental backup at any time. When it's done, you will find the details of this newly created backup under the Previous Remote Backups section. To restore a backup, click on the View button from the right side. Then, click on the Restore button to restore a backup according to a specific date and time. We hope you will find this tutorial useful. Subscribe to the xCloud channel now to stay updated. Happy hosting!